Iba talaga kapag samang basketball, no? Pero on the other side naman, sino naman yung mga opponent na kapag nakikita mo, nanggigigil ka talaga na parang,
Ako po.
sure, sure na good, sure na ibibigay mo yung best game mo talaga na.
Back then, it was really, I was challenged with Mike Cortez
Like, cool
because
cat.
he was really a beast before. Actually, siya talaga yung ano namin eh. Siya yung focal point namin dati. Actually, not only Ateneo but the whole UAAP season, UAAP players, teams, no? Talagang siya yung barometer ng point guard before. Kasi he was the only player na matangkad, point guard, grabe yung skills, ang galing. So, yun talaga yung pag talagang iisipin mo, kailangan malampasan ko yung galing nito, yung ganon. No? In terms of speed and ano ba, isa pa is also sino ba? Point guard. Paul Artadi before when he was playing in UE.
D.
Oo, grabe siya. Unstoppable din yun.
Diba?
Before. Oo, si Conchilor na yung San Juan yun. But he was really unstoppable before. Oo. He was teammates with Ronald Tubid, James Yap, KJ Cagaleta.
Grabe po yun.
Lalim yung team na yun. So, yun. Yun.
Jerwin Gaho, kuya. Wala namang...
Gaho. Jerwin Gaho. Ano namin yun? Ayun ang bruiser talaga. Talagang bruiser. Pero hindi natin inatrasan yun. Bruiser. Pero ano, what happened was really si Jerwin. We became friends after our UAAP career. That's the...
Teammates pa kayo, kuya?
Oo, nag-champion kami sa PBL. Kami ni na Joseph Yo. Joseph Yo, Ryan Aranya, Rico Mayerhofer, Jerwin Gaco, sino man teammates ko pa noon. Yun yung pinag-champion namin.
And kuya, quick question, kasi from UAAP nasabi mo kanina na nung Ateneo Lasal, di talaga kayo nagpapansinan kapag nagkikita kayo sa labas. So, paano yung naging teammate mo yung mga sino Joseph yun, naging teammate mo sila sa PBL? Paano yun, di ba awkward yun?
Medyo noong una, naging awkward, but that was kasi the time that we are really fighting for our team. We were playing in Harbor Center. So, actually, the management really did a good job also on putting up those players, no? Ateneo, Lasal, PCU, but back then, no? Jason Castro, Robert Sanchez, Gabi Espinas, nandun din yun. Mga star players naman na NCAA yun. So, back then kasi we were really eyeing na on playing in the PBA, and eventually magkakaroon na rin kami ng time together in the PBA. Pero there's still an awkward moment, lalo na pag natatalo, di ba, may grupo-grupo pa rin. Di ba? Yung Ateneo teammate ko lang na nandun was Jack Chia. Dalawa lang kami.
Yeah.
So it was really hard, but we won the championship. Doon kami naging close. Yun yung naging start ng parang bond namin, no?